How to sign into Jcpenney Mastercard credit card account for online payment. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Jcpenney credit card login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Jcpenney credit card, Synchrony Bank redirected. Open it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. From here, you can easily get access to your account. At the top right corner, you're gonna see the option of login. Go ahead and click on that option. You will be directed to the login page. Now go ahead and provide your credentials. First up, go ahead and type in your user ID. Then type in the password. In the case you want to remember your user ID, check in for the option of remember user ID. In the case you have forgotten the user ID or password, you can click on these options to recover it. After you provide your details, click on Secure Login, and just for that, you'll be logged into your account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on these options and go through the process for the registration. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily log into Jcpenney credit card online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.